They said the DRL comes and goes. Usually means one thing: bad connection. Probably an internal connector issue. But first, we gotta open it up. We're removing the cornering light first. When opening the lens, this part keeps catching the bezel. Not a huge deal, but it can leave scratches. And since we need the modules plugged in for testing anyway, might as well do it this way. Alright, let's start checking things. Okay. See that? The wire's been rubbing here. Probably during the startup sequence. But I don't think that's the actual issue. We'll reassemble it step by step and test as we go. Wait, I think we found it. There's dust everywhere in here. Usually this connector's the problem, but this one looks okay. Although, it is a little loose. And this area's rubbed too. It's probably one of these two. First, let's remove all the silicone. Silicone's off now. And honestly, these scratches don't look bad enough to cause this issue. Nothing's fully cut. Yo, look at this. It's broken.
So it was barely making contact.
Exactly. The second I pulled it, it came right out. Let me check the others too. Only this one pulls out like that. That's the problem. Not loose, broken. Every time we open one of these, something always shows up. Completely broken. The wire's too tiny to reconnect cleanly, so we're swapping in another one. Looks like the same type, although the color's different. All right. Sleeve connector here. Little crimp. Heat shrink here. Done. Let's check this side too. Okay, now let's test it. Oh yeah, that's solid now. Even when moving it around. Disconnect it, and it cuts off. Perfect. A lot of people assume the LED failed, but most of the time it's wiring, resistors, diodes, stuff like that. Not the LED itself. Gotta check the angel eyes. Good. One more test before sealing it up. Angel eyes good. Startup sequence good. Low beam working too. High beam too. But man, look at this cover. The condition is rough, and they still want to reuse it.
They're reusing this one.
Yeah, customer just wanted it working. Still, kinda feels like a waste. All right, let's close it up and finish this thing.